The other positive news that we're getting this morning has come through from the retail inflation side. India's CPI for May came in at 4.25%, lower than what the CNBC-TV18 poll was, while the industrial output for April came in at 4.2%, way above estimates. Always good to see that. Lata's here to analyze the data for us. Lata, morning.
Yeah, it's a great combo. Growth better than expected and inflation lower than feared. The CPI number at 4.25, CNBC-TV18 poll was 4.35. The individual numbers, food is down to 2.9 from 3.8 in April. And more importantly, core CPI has not inched up but down a bit at 5.1 versus 5.2 in the previous month. But my point is that we should not read this as a reason why RBI may cut. For one thing, RBI's nowcast is excellent. They usually know this number before they went into the June 8th policy. And the one single message in the June 8th policy is, we are nowhere near a cut. Every time we were asked that question, we were told that we want 4% and our own forecast is 5.2 for the last quarter. So it looked like they are not looking for a rate cut this calendar or even this fiscal. That was the mood. But let's come to the growth number. IIP number at 4.2 versus our poll of 1.3. And it's an impressive set of constituents. You know, manufacturing, which is 77% of IIP, is up 4.9%. That includes metals, non-metallic industries, machinery, transport equipment. All these components were each up in double digits year on year. Outside of manufacturing, infrastructure was up 12.8%, capital goods 6.2%, consumer non-durables 10.7%. So it's an impressive across-the-board growth that we are seeing in industrial output. As if all this was not enough, the March industrial output, which was a sulk, has been revised upwards from 1.1 to 1.7. So my point would be, this data is stocks positive. It is not bonds positive. The message is loud and clear. Growth is strong.
All right. Nada, but this IIP, the series itself is very volatile, right?
No, I agree with you that the components can be questioned a lot. But IIP has not usually lied about the direction. Okay. I mean, you may get very upset with the components, whether they're sometimes seriously, it's a joke sometimes. But the overall direction, if it is growth, it shows growth.
All right. Directionally positive. Absolutely point taken, Lata. Thanks very much for that.